This is a good practice to. This helps your set downs more than you know. Because the dolly, there's no room for error, really, you know.
Right.
This does a lot for your set downs.
All right, is that a good height for the dolly?
Yeah. As long as your skid's over it.
I can see my skid now.
Yeah, door's off.
I've never looked at that before. All right, I'm going to have a tailwind.
A little bit. I'll help you out with the stabilization here. Get to a good height and start creeping in. If at any time you don't like it, just take it back up and we'll come around and we'll try it again.
That feels good.
Yeah, it does. Come forward a little more. About there. Oh. We're down.
2-pointer.
Right. So before I do anything right here, I go governor off.
Governor is off.
Roll it down to 440.
Roll down to 440.